Salam alaikum. Alaikum assalam. Salam alaikum. Wa alaikum assalam.
The battlefield erupted into chaos as Ukrainian FPV drones descended with relentless precision, turning a tense front line into a scene of panic and devastation. Footage emerging from the conflict zone shows Russian soldiers scrambling for cover, their formations already fractured by weeks of pressure, now facing a new and terrifying threat from above. The buzzing of FPV drones cut through the smoke-filled air, signaling that escape was rapidly becoming impossible. The FPV drones moved quickly and with precision, weaving low over the terrain and peering into every shadow. Operators watching the live feeds described tense moments as figures suddenly emerged from cover, revealing just how close the drones were to their targets. Some of the Russian soldiers reportedly tried to flee the moment they realized they had been spotted. Footage later released shows frantic sprints across open ground, bodies zigzagging in panic while explosions followed close behind, leaving no room for escape or shelter. According to Ukrainian sources, the strikes unfolded after reconnaissance drones identified Russian units clustered in shallow defensive positions. These soldiers, exhausted and short on supplies, appeared visibly desperate as they attempted to reposition under constant surveillance. What followed was a swift and coordinated response as FPV drones were launched in rapid succession, homing in on their targets with deadly accuracy. The first explosion shattered the fragile calm of the battlefield, sending shockwaves through nearby trenches. Dirt, debris, and shattered equipment were thrown skyward as Russian troops scattered in disarray. Some attempted to flee across open ground, while others pressed themselves against the earth, hoping to evade the drones' unblinking electronic eyes. Witnesses described the strikes as surgical yet overwhelming. FPV drones, guided in real time by Ukrainian operators, maneuvered through ruined structures and over scorched terrain, striking positions that moments earlier had seemed concealed. The sense of desperation among the Russian soldiers was palpable, as each attempt to move only drew further attention from the sky. Military analysts note that FPV drones have become one of Ukraine's most feared battlefield tools, particularly against exposed infantry. Unlike traditional artillery, these drones can adjust instantly to changes on the ground, pursuing targets that try to escape. In this engagement, that flexibility proved decisive, leaving Russian troops with few options and even fewer safe routes. Video clips circulating online show moments of sheer panic, with Russian soldiers abandoning weapons and sprinting across cratered fields. Each movement, however, seemed to invite another strike. Ukrainian operators maintained pressure, ensuring that no regrouping was possible and that the enemy's desperation only deepened. The psychological impact of the drone attacks was as severe as the physical destruction. Soldiers reportedly froze in place, uncertain whether running or hiding would seal their fate. Experts say this kind of relentless aerial pursuit erodes morale rapidly, turning disciplined units into fragmented groups focused solely on survival. This engagement highlights a broader shift in modern warfare, where low-cost, highly maneuverable drones can decisively shape outcomes. Ukrainian commanders emphasize that FPV drones allow them to counter numerically larger forces, especially when the enemy is already stretched thin and exposed. For Russian troops on the ground, the encounter underscored a grim reality. Traditional defensive tactics offer little protection against persistent drone threats. The desperation seen in this battle reflects mounting challenges faced by units operating without sufficient air defense or electronic countermeasures. Civilians living near the front line reported hearing explosions late into the day, followed by an eerie quiet. For them, the aftermath was a stark reminder of how quickly the balance of power can shift and how technology continues to redefine the dangers of the conflict. International observers are closely watching these developments, noting how FPV drones are increasingly central to Ukraine's battlefield strategy. The footage from this strike is already being studied as an example of how precision and adaptability can overwhelm entrenched forces. As night fell, Ukrainian units secured the area, finding abandoned gear and signs of a hasty retreat. The desperation that marked the Russian soldiers' final moments in the engagement was evident in the chaos left behind, a silent testament to the effectiveness of the drone assault. The battle serves as another stark chapter in the ongoing war, illustrating how innovation and determination can tip the scales in moments of extreme tension. For those caught under the drones that day, the experience was not just a defeat, but a harrowing reminder that the battlefield has changed forever.